To see your YouTube channel subscriber list, simply go to youtube.com on your favorite browser and make sure you sign into your account. And then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio, and that should open up your YouTube channel's backend, which is the YouTube Studio. Now here, make sure you click on Dashboard, and under Dashboard, if you scroll down, you will see recent subscribers. So you can click on See All, and that's going to show you your entire list of subscribers, and you can scroll using these little arrows to see all the subscribers. Okay, now you can also filter according to time, so you can check out your subscribers in the last 7 days, 28, 90, or even in the last year, or you can click on lifetime to see all your subscribers. Also, you can arrange the subscribers list according to the subscriber count they have, so you can see your biggest subscribers to the smallest in terms of YouTube subscribers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.